everybody, here I am on my new GoPro 9 and thought I'd share a little tip with you. Okay, I gotta point this down here. Okay, let's see how this works. So I have these bananas and mainly I buy my bananas to put in my smoothies. So I'm just gonna share a tip with you on what I do with my bananas to make them smoothie ready and to get that out of there, get them ready. So I like to make them in half. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on these pans and then I'm gonna stick them in the freezer. And once they're frozen, I am gonna just put them in a Ziploc bag, and that way I can reach them really easy for when I want them for my smoothies. So this is kind of a big banana, so I'm gonna make that into 3. So I hope this is helpful. Before I learned this tip, my bananas would go bad. I just have to throw them out. Well, actually what I would do is I would say, oh, I'm going to make banana bread, and then it would just never happen. You know what I mean. Okay, almost done. Okay. It's nice to have some small pieces. All right, well, you get that, so off to the freezer they go, and they're gonna be all ready for smoothies in just a couple hours. Bye.